HDFC Life soared to 625 rupees for today, making it one of the day's strongest surprises. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, you'll see which stocks moved most, what drove them, and tomorrow's key technical levels. Nifty 50 ended at 24,326 rupees 65, down a marginal 0.02% from the previous close of 24,330 rupees 95. The index opened at 24,398 rupees 5, made an intraday high of 24,482 rupees 1, and a low of 24,284 rupees 0. On longer timeframes, Nifty sits 6.5% below its 52-week high of 26,373 rupees 2, which was set 55 sessions ago, and well above the 52-week low of 22,182 rupees 55. Technicals are mixed. The 14-period RSI is 59.8, which is neutral, and short-term moving averages show a mild edge. EMA9 at 24,168 rupees sits above EMA20 at 24,057 rupees, signaling a short-term bullish trend. Volume reads as 0 the 20-day average, which the data labels as normal activity today. Key technical zones to note are resistance at 24,602 rupees and support at 24,096 rupees. In plain language, the market is roughly steady, slightly tilted to the upside on short-term averages, but without heavy volume to confirm a strong breakout. That context matters as we look at individual stocks that outperformed today. HDFC Life Insurance opened at 611 rupees 0 and closed at 625 rupees 4, up 3.14% from the previous close of 606 rupees 35, with a high of 629 rupees 3 and a low of 608 rupees 85. That jump looks larger than the headline because the stock traded near the session high into the close. The data shows a likely motive. Volume was 3.64 the 20-day average, signaling unusual institutional conviction rather than a retail-only move. Technically, the 14-period RSI is 70.5, which registers as overbought, and short-term moving averages are slightly weak, with EMA9 at 602 rupees below EMA20 at 604 rupees, a small short-term bearish tilt despite the price gain. The key level to watch tomorrow is the support at 603 rupees. If the stock holds above that level, it indicates strength, while resistance sits near 651 rupees. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. Now let us move to an auto heavyweight that pushed past its recent highs. Bajaj Auto opened at 10,582 rupees 0 and finished at 10,605 rupees 0, up 2.77% from the previous close of 10,319 rupees 0, with an intraday high of 10,740 rupees 0 and a low of 10,324 rupees 5. The standout fact: the stock hit a 20-day closing high and pushed into price discovery territory, trading within 1.3% of its 52-week high of 10,740 rupees 0. The technical read is aggressive. RSI at 81.7 signals overbought conditions, while EMA9 at 10,083 rupees sits above EMA20 at 9836 rupees, confirming a short-term bullish trend. Volume was 3.65 the 20-day average, which again suggests institutional participation. The key level to observe tomorrow is the support zone at 10,016 rupees. Holding that zone would keep the breakout intact, while immediate resistance sits at 10,740 rupees. Keep in mind this is educational analysis, not a recommendation. Next, a farm-to-SUV name that also surprised today. Mahindra and Mahindra opened at 3,311 rupees 9 and closed at 3,370 rupees 7, up 2.12% from the previous close of 3,300 rupees 8, with a high of 3,399 rupees 0 and a low of 3,305 rupees 0. The surprise is the momentum. The stock cleared its 20-day closing high and entered price discovery territory, trading with conviction into the close. Technicals are heated. RSI at 75.2 is overbought, and EMA9 at 3208 rupees sits above EMA20 at 3174 rupees, indicating a short-term bullish trend. Volume was 1.56, the 20-day average, a healthy uptick but not extreme. The specific observation for tomorrow is the support level at 3163 rupees. If the price remains above that, the breakout holds significance, while immediate resistance is 3399 rupees. This is what the data shows. Always do your own research before acting. That wraps the individual movers. Here's the market takeaway. Today's theme was selective strength. Individual large caps outperformed, while the index barely moved. Institutional-sized volumes in HDFC Life and Bajaj Auto point to concentrated buying in pockets rather than broad market conviction. Watch two things tomorrow. First, whether NIFTY sustains the short-term bullish signal where EMA9 remains above EMA20 and keeps above support at 24,096 rupees. Second, whether the breakouts in Bajaj Auto and Mahindra can hold above their support zones at 10,016 rupees and 3163 rupees respectively. If you found this useful, like the video, comment which stock is on your watch list, and subscribe for regular market takeaways. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.